All right, let's move into crypto talk because it never stops. It stays hot. Rocket ships going to the moon? I don't know. Not according to Treasury Secretary Janet Yellen, who has blessed us with a new statement, or a couple. She says Bitcoin is an extremely inefficient way to conduct monetary transactions. You know what she likes? She likes the Federal Reserve.
Yeah.
All right, which she actually used to be a part of. It's like printing money, Willie do.
Yeah, we need more banknotes. More of them.
No. She's fine with the idea of digital currencies. They just got to be in charge of it. You understand how that goes? Yeah. They're like, no, your stuff's inefficient. You know how much energy you're using? You know, you know what they're saying right now? They're saying that Bitcoin's energy consumption is more than that of the nation of New Zealand.
That's what I heard.
So it's turned into environmental beef. Crypto versus environmental types on a collision course. You didn't expect that.
Yeah. Sure.
Anyway, so she's been a little, she's been on both sides of this, because I remember the early statement from her was similar to this, stating, oh, Bitcoin is used for illicit things and illegal activities. Then she came back and she's like, oh, yeah, digital currencies, it sound pretty. And then now she come back with this one. Anyway, she said it's there's dangers that Bitcoin poses to both investors and the public. She says there remain important questions about legitimacy and stability. I don't think, here's the quote, I don't think that Bitcoin is widely used as a transaction mechanism. To the extent it is used, I fear it's often for illicit finance. It's an extremely inefficient way of conducting transactions, and the amount of energy that's consumed in processing those transactions is staggering. Of course, these comments set up with the backdrop of Bitcoin just falling off a cliff this morning. Actually, crypto in general down like 12 to 15%. And you start to say to yourself, oh, is there a correlation here? It started to climb back. Wait a minute, that's the 1 day right there? Man, I hate Google's charts.
I know.
It doesn't accurately display the cliff that I'm looking for.
Yeah.
I am looking for a cliff. There it is. Okay, that's your 1 day. It went Bitcoin went all the way down, back down to the $50,000. And that's not, that ain't no magical. Are you surprised, Willie, dude? It's right at the $50,000 mark, but they start to buy back in. Yeah. You see how this goes? It's a psychological barrier. Anyway, I don't think that these comments have done much to Bitcoin at the moment. They are comments, and it appears to be that's all they are.